Hey guys, this is Matthew with 20D. This was the first outreach of the season for Typewriter. It's actually Sunday. I tried to go out on Friday afternoons, but my schedule just got away from me at Providence. We have 5 or 6 newer residents, so we've been trying to adjust, and then one of our staff members is in training as well, so a little busy, but praise God, and still love to be able to do all the things that he trusts in our hand. Today was really powerful. I would say for the first hour, not too many people came by, but then later I wrote about 5. I had 5 encounters. This one guy, his name was Joshua. Sorry if I'm messing up on the name, but I just talked about in the poem, I believe the Lord showed me about like rules and stuff, and pretty much the heart of the message was about him really stepping into some of the creative nature that has been given to him, not limiting himself and pressing forward. And when I read it to him, he cried, and then he actually hugged me, which was awesome. Grace didn't go too far to share the gospel with that, but I always, on the back of my card, give the website, and then I give him a QR code. Yeah, with some others. There was another woman, her name was Tammy, but she said she was curious. I started calling her Curious, and it turned into this thing. It was her and her family. Mother's Day. When the writing came out, she said that was her. She really felt seen. She really felt valued. They said they were Christians. There's a part in there, like how she never lets go of people, how she wraps people with like her love, and with prayer, and even through the shadows. And I was like, that's Psalms 91, and it was just super beautiful. Yeah, a lot of great encounters. We ran into this guy that was on streets. I think his name was Joshua. So Josh and Joshua. Maybe not, just dealing with some things, and maybe not the healthiest. But he was a writer himself, and I just, he wanted me to timestamp one of his cards. I did that. We bought him a meal at Trader Joe's, or Tokyo. It's one illegal Pete's. I bought him a meal. We bought him a meal at Illegal Pete's, and wrote him a message, and yeah, just really beautiful, really awesome. So thank you for being a part of this and praying for these encounters. I'll do my best to list them all out. 3 minutes. All right, love you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.